Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss a new chapter, that is chapter 2, linear equations in one variable. What is our chapter name? Linear equations in one variable. See the introduction. In previous classes we learnt what is an algebraic expression, yes, and what are terms, what is term, what is constant, what is a variable, and what are monomials, what are binomials, trinomials, etc. Yes, addition of algebraic expressions and subtraction of algebraic expressions we discussed in previous classes. Now in this class, linear equations in one variable. First of all, what is linear equation in one variable? The equation of the form ax plus b is equals to 0. Here a comma b are real numbers, a not equals to 0. Okay, the equation of the form ax plus b, that is equals to 0. Clearly a comma b, a, b, these two are real numbers and a not equals to 0 is called a linear equation in one variable. Simply the highest degree is what, Nana? 1. The highest degree of a equation is 1, that is called a linear equation with one variable. Now I am writing some examples here. 2x is equals to minus 3, or 2x plus 3 is equals to 0. It is a linear equation with one variable. What is the variable here? That is x. And one more, 2y minus 3 is equals to 5. It is also a linear equation with one variable only, because of here what is the variable? Y. So these are the examples of a linear equation with one variable. I just want to remind you, by solving these linear equations in one variables, you have to remember transpose the terms from LHS to RHS. Okay, now transposing the terms from LHS to RHS, the plus quantity becomes minus quantity. Plus quantity becomes what, Nana? It becomes minus quantity, and as well as minus quantity becomes plus quantity, and as well as into quantities becomes division quantity, and division quantities becomes into quantity. Okay, now so this is important. While we are transposing the terms from LHS to RHS, the plus quantity becomes minus quantity, and minus quantities becomes plus quantity, into quantity becomes division quantity, and division quantity becomes into quantity. Okay, and RHS నుంచి LHS కి ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ అవుతున్నప్పుడు కూడా plus quantity becomes minus, like that. Okay, na? Let us solve some equations. Solve the following simple equations. Exercise 1. Exercise 1. In that first question is given. Solve the following simple equations. Okay, now in that I'm taking question number 2, that is 14p minus 42. 14p is equals to minus 42. Okay, so this is a linear equation in one variable. What is the variable here? P. At the English alphabet small letters, we can use it for variables. Now 14p means we can understand it as 14p అంటే మనం దీన్ని ఎలా అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి? That is the product of 14 and p, అంటే the 14 into p, that is equals to minus 42. Now I am transposing 14 to RHS side. T అంటే transpose 14 to RHS side. Okay, now from LHS to transpose 14 from LHS to RHS. లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ నుంచి రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్కి ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ చేస్తుంది. దెన్ P ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు, ఇక్కడ P ఉంటుంది, P ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు already here minus 42 is there, into quantity transposing means it becomes what nana? It becomes division quantity. Okay na? So by doing cancellation, 14 table, 14 ones are 14, 14 threes are 42. So we get that is P is equals to minus 3 by 1 means that is minus 3. Let us go for the verification. ఒకసారి వెరిఫై చేద్దాం. Okay, what we get the value P, that is equals to minus 3. Let us verify it. In the place of P, we just substitute minus 3, that is here minus 42 is there. 14 into minus 3, that is minus 42, that is equals to minus 42. Clearly we get LHS is equals to RHS. Okay, so this is one problem, and let us go for the another problem. That is question number 6. Question number 6. The question is given n by 7 is equals to n by 7 is equals to minus 3. It is a linear equation. Then what I am doing, transposing 7 to RHS side. 7 RHS side transpose చేస్తాను. Then n is equals to minus 3 into quantity is transposing this side. I mean from LHS నుంచి RHS side 7 is transposing means it becomes division quantity is becomes into quantity. N is equals to minus 3 into 7, that is minus 21. Okay, let us go for the verification. N value we get, that is minus 21. Then in the place of n I am going to write minus 21 by 7, that is equals to minus 3. 7 ones are 7 threes are, so minus 3 is equals to minus 3. LHS is equals to RHS. Okay na? So this is the answer and this is the verification. Let us discuss one more question. That is question number 7. 2x by 3, that is equals to 18. What is the given simple equation? 2x by 3, that is equals to 18. What I am doing, transposing only 3, only I am transposing 3 to RHS side. So we get here only 2x, that is equals to 18 is there. Division quantity transposing means it becomes what nana? Into quantity. Now 2x is equals to 18 into 3. 18 3s are, that is 54. Okay, now 2x means just now I said 2x means that is the product of 2 and x. 2 into x, you can understand it as. Okay, so transposing 2 to RHS side. ఇక్కడ x ఉంటుంది, x is equals to here 54 is there. Into quantity is transposing to RHS side means it becomes division quantity. 2 1s are 2 27s are. We get x is equals to what we get the value? X is equals to 27. So let us go for the verification. We get x value is 27 now. We just substitute in the place of x. So 2 of in the place of x I am going to substitute 27 by 3, that is equals to 8. Okay. Now by using 3 table, 3 1s are 3 9s are 27, that is 2 of 9, that is equals to 80. ఇలా బ్రాకెట్ ఉంటే ఇంటూ కదా, ఆఫ్ 2 9s are 18, that is equals to 18. LHS is equals to RHS. So this is the required answer and this is the required verification. Okay, let us discuss more examples. Question number 10. The question is given, the equation is given 13 minus 6n is equals to 7. What is the equation, Anna? 13 minus 6n is equals to 7. Now what I am doing here, transposing 7 from RHS to ఈ 7ని RHS నుంచి LHS కి ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ చేస్తున్నా. I mean is equals to left side LHS part is equals to right side RHS part. Plus 7 is transposing from RHS to LHS and minus 6n it is transposing to from LHS to RHS. ఇక్కడేమో RHS నుంచి LHS కి వస్తుంది, ఇక్కడేమో LHS నుంచి RHS కి వెళ్తుంది. So here 13 is there. Plus 7 transposing from RHS to LHS, it becomes minus 7, that is equals to here minus 6n transposing from LHS to RHS, it becomes plus 6n. 13 minus 7 means what? That is 6 is equals to 6n. 6n means we can understand it as 6 into n. Okay, 6 ni transpose cheste, that is into quantity becomes division quantity. Okay, n is equals to 6 by 6. 6 1s are 6 1s are. Clearly we get n is equals to what, Nana? N is equals to 1. Let us go for the verification. 13 minus 6 of, in the place of n I am going to write 1, that is equals to RHS part 7. 13 minus 6 1s are 6 is equals to 7. 13 minus 6, that is 7 is equals to 7. Clearly LHS is equals to RHS. This is the required answer and this is the required verification. Let us discuss more examples. Let us discuss another example. That is question number 14. Question number 14 is given. That is 8x plus 5 by 2 is equals to 13. What is the question, Anna? That is 8x plus 5 by 2 is equals to 13. So what I am doing here, first of all I am going to transpose 5 by 2 from LHS to RHS. ఈ 5 by 2ని LHS నుంచి RHSకి ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ చేస్తున్నాం. Here LHS పార్ట్లో రిమైనింగ్ ఏముంటుంది? 8x is equals to here 13. ఈ plus 5 by 2 transposing to RHS side means it becomes minus 5 by 2. Plus quantity is becomes minus quantity. We can write 13 as 13 by 1 also. Now 8x is equals to, you just do the cross multiplication, 13 into 2. Okay, here minus is there, again do like this, 1 into 5 cross product by the denominators also, 1 into 2. Okay, now 8x is equals to 13 2s are 26 minus 1 5s are 5 by 1 2s are 2. So we get a that is 26 minus 5, that is 21 by 2. So we get here that is 8x that is 8x is equals to 21 by 2. Okay, so 8x means we can understand it as 8 into x now. I'm transposing 8 to RHS side. X is equals to 21 by 2 and into quantities becomes division quantity. Into quantities becomes what nana? Division quantity. 8x and 8 into x. You can write it as 8 by 1 also. Now 21 by 2 into the reciprocal of 8 by 1 is, that is 1 by 8. 21 ones are 21 and 2 8s are 16. So the value of x is equals to what? 21 by 16 I get. Let us go for the verification. This is the verification children. What is the given equation? The given equation is 8x plus 5 by 2 is equals to 13. This is the given equation. 8 of x means what I get? X and I get, that is 21 by 16. Okay, plus 5 by 2 is equals to 13. Clearly 8 ones are 8 twos are. So 1 into 21, that is 21 by 2 plus 5 by 2, that is equals to 13. Now I get LCM. Ikkada same denominators undi. 2 denominator is 2, denominator is 2. So we get LCM is 2 and we just add the numerators because of enduku same denominators means that is equals to 13. 21 plus 5 means 26 by 2, that is equals to 13. 2 ones are 2 13s are. 13 is equals to 13. Clearly LHS is equals to RHS. So like this you solve the remaining problems in exercise 1 first main. Okay na students? Thank you.